Performance: 1,914 horsepower with 4 independent motors. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour in 1.85 seconds, a truly mind-blowing performance. Top speed: 258 miles per hour. Range: 340 miles on a single charge. Technology: Rimac proprietary battery management system and torque vectoring for unrivaled handling. Sustainability: built with high-tech sustainable materials including carbon fiber and recycled plastics. The Rimac Nevera is a hypercar that delivers extreme performance while incorporating advanced sustainability, redefining what an electric car can achieve. Performance: 1,900 horsepower from 4 electric motors. Acceleration: 0-60 miles per hour in 1.79 seconds. Top speed: 217 miles per hour. Range: 280 miles per charge. Design: handcrafted Italian design with a focus on luxury and elegance, with a minimalist yet tech-laden interior. Technology: advanced driver assistance systems and a customizable driving mode. The Pininfarina Battista is an Italian masterpiece, blending extraordinary performance with the sophistication and craftsmanship expected from a luxury sports car brand.